Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Q&A and content for increased sales. Let's get into it. In today's video, we're going to explore how the Q&A section and strategic content on your Amazon product listing can significantly impact your sales performance. With the evolution of Amazon's algorithm, especially with systems like Cosmo and Rufus, content has become more than just a medium to inform buyers. It's now a way to communicate with Amazon's AI and influence how your product is indexed, ranked, and recommended. When customers visit your listing, they often look for confirmation that your product will meet their needs. The traditional approach has always been to focus heavily on keywords and titles and bullet points. But now, Amazon systems can interpret full context across the entire listing. That includes Q&A sections, videos, A+ content, and even what is visually displayed in your images. Take the Q&A section, for example. When a customer posts a question like, "Is this product safe for kids under 3?" and the seller responds with a well-explained, detailed answer, this doesn't just help one person. That response becomes part of the listing's content, and it contributes to what Amazon's AI understands about the product. The system can now associate the product with safety standards, specific use cases, and customer concerns, all of which support better ranking for related search terms. The goal is to use this section to highlight real customer queries and then provide thoughtful, informative responses. These questions can cover durability, compatibility, usage, materials, or even performance comparisons. The more natural and comprehensive the answers, the more value you're adding, not only to the shopper, but also to the Amazon algorithm. This same logic applies to your images and video content. If you show your product being used in a real-life context, Amazon's AI can interpret these visuals and understand what kind of situations your product is relevant for. For example, if your image shows a storage basket holding toys in a child's room, AI will connect that with searches like toy organizer or nursery storage. It's not just about showing the product anymore, it's about telling its full story through multiple layers of content. To take it further, there are free GPT-based tools available that let you input your ASIN and receive insights on how well your listing aligns with current best practices. These tools aren't connected directly to Amazon's database, but they are built with an understanding of what the algorithms are looking for. They can evaluate your listing's structure, depth of information, and relevance, helping you discover areas where your content might be lacking or too generic. Ultimately, the Q&A section is not just for customer support, it's part of your listing's conversion engine. And the same applies to every piece of content you upload. Instead of thinking in terms of keywords alone, think about the full message your listing delivers. Every paragraph, every image, and every video is data for Amazon's system to interpret. The more helpful and authentic that data is, the more likely your product will be shown to the right customers. That wraps up this deep dive into using Q&A and content for increased sales. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Amazon strategy insights. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.